guys, welcome back to BB2 Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And so by the title, you know we're going to be making 3 smoothies today, so let's just get right into it. So to begin with our very first smoothie, that's the mixed berry smoothie. We're going to need frozen strawberries, blackberries and blueberries, bananas, as well as vanilla yogurt. And you can use any choice of yogurt. And that's it, guys. Blend until it's smooth. And your mixed berry smoothie is ready. Enjoy! Okay, so moving on to smoothie 2. Okay, and we have mango pineapple smoothie, and so for the very first step we definitely need mangoes, followed by pineapple, and orange concentrate, very little portion, or orange juice or oranges, followed by vanilla yogurt or any choice of yogurt. And blend, guys, so blend until it's smooth. And that's it, guys, for your mango pineapple smoothie. And so moving on to smoothie 3. Okay, so guess what we're going to be making for smoothie 3? Yep, spinach. Okay, so for the very first step, we're definitely going to need spinach, milk, vanilla extract, green apples and frozen bananas, as well as yogurt, vanilla yogurt or any yogurt of your choice. Okay, so for the very first step, we're going to be adding the spinach and the milk. Blend for a little just to add more spinach, give way to add more spinach. Okay, followed by the apples. Basically, we're blending everything together, guys. Okay, and bananas and the yogurt, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You just need very little, or you don't even need to add that if you can't or if you don't have that. Okay, and so guys, blend until it's smooth. And that's it, guys, your very own green smoothie. So much goodies all in one cup. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, to share and to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.